when the moment comes, you'll say, I did it all. I did it all. I owned every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. Yeah, with every broken bone, I swear I lived.
Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Allie. Welcome back to my channel. Right now I am just laying on Waco Beach and we just got here from Apple Valley Market, which is a vegetarian, all meatless grocery store. It was literally so cool. So first in this video, I'm going to show you guys what I got from there and do a little bit of a grocery haul and just show what I specifically got. My mom and my brother got some other stuff, but what I got, I am very excited for. So obviously I am not home. We are in Michigan and I couldn't like get like plant-based like deli meat, all of that they had, because it would go bad in the car. Like it's a 5-hour drive that we're gonna be taking tomorrow. So I got more like snack stuff and smoothie mixes. So the first thing is these ranch chips, which I'm actually really excited to try. I'm about to open them. They're vegan, they are non-GMO, gluten-free. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and open them now. The bag is like halfway filled with air. Mom, these are good. Next, I got these roasted and salted chickpeas. They make them there at the store. They're really dry. I already tried them, so that's why this is all torn off. But like, I like chickpeas and a lot of different stuff, so I thought these would be good. They're not bad. They're just kind of like bland and there's not like a crap ton of salt on them, so they're pretty good. I'd give them like a 7 out of 10. Next, I got this smoothie mix, which I'm really excited to try. I've been wanting to make a vegan like avocado smoothie lately, so hopefully this will be good. It's an organic green vegan smoothie mix and it has 17 grams of protein, so hoping this will be good. It's all plant-based. And next, I got this raw organic pomegranate powder, which has a recipe on the back for ice cream. So you mix like this with, I think, almond milk, bananas and blueberries, and you can like freeze it and eat it like that, or like make a smoothie bowl. So I'm not sure how I feel about pomegranates, but this is something I'm definitely excited to try. It's non-GMO, raw, gluten-free. It's also kosher, so that's really cool. The other thing I got is currently in our cooler right now because it would melt out here. It's almond butter, but it's maple, so it's gonna taste like syrup and it will be great on toast. It's from the brand Culture Foods and they also had cinnamon flavor and they had chocolate espresso, which I should have got that too, but I just went ahead with maple and I have not tried almond butter yet, so we'll see how that is. So right now we are just relaxing on the beach, soaking in the sun. I'm about to start tanning and then we are going to head to dinner soon.
I have a whole entire fry and I scooted it over for him and he just ate it. Chewy. He just ate an entire fry.
So now we're back at the pier. I am just literally sitting on the sand where I am kind of blocked from the wind because it gets super cold at night. We've got some people over there doing some family photos, but literally look how beautiful this view is. We've got the sunset over here, the pier. My family is, I think we're literally the only people here, maybe not, but they're walking down right now and I might go join them in a little bit. But this is literally the perfect place for the sunset and it's so beautiful with the pier in the background. After this, I think we are going to just go back to the hotel, get in the hot tub, relax. I am super tired because we have just been on the go all day, and then I will jump back on the vlog in the morning when we get breakfast and go to the beach and shop and do whatever we're doing tomorrow.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall. Hope when the water rises, you build a wall.
Good morning. We are in Bridgman now. We checked out of the hotel in St. Joseph's and we are in like the downtown area of Bridgman. When I was younger, a lot of like businesses that are here now were not here, but now the city, like they've like updated their downtown and it's so cute. So we just ate at Eric's Cafe. It was pretty good, just like a little mom and pop place. Kind of reminded me of Norma's back in Jacksonville. So I got an iced caramel macchiato from Small Town Grounds, and now we are on Waco Beach and all of the family's here, and I am just tanning. It's currently like 75 out, which is the warmest it's been since we've been here, and there's also like no waves today. So we left Waco Beach for the last time on this trip, and now we are eating at the Cubs themed restaurant. We ate here last night. So it's like 9 o'clock in the morning right now. As you can tell, I just woke up. I actually woke up like 2 hours ago. I don't know why. I'm used to sleeping in until 12. But anyway, I don't know why I didn't film an outro to this video, because after we had dinner, we left, like we went home, and as soon as we got in the car, I fell asleep. So now I'm just gonna give you guys a Michigan haul of all the other stuff I got besides the stuff from Apple Valley Market, because of course I did a little bit of shopping. I didn't get anything too crazy. I got this crew neck that I just slept in. It's just navy blue with white letters. It is super soft on the inside. I needed a new crew neck because I had my friend's crew neck for like a year and I finally gave it back to her. Thank you, Riley. So I needed to get a new crew neck. The next thing that I got, there's a wire in it so it looks a little funny right now, but I've always wanted a floppy hat and this was on sale. It was supposed to be like $30, but I got it for $15, and it looks a little funny right now because it was all folded up, but like you can bend it however you want. Next thing I got, my grandma actually found for me. It says the lake is my happy place, because every like 5 minutes I was saying that the beach is my happy place, and I will like swear by that. So I found this cute little sign, and I'm gonna try to get some like prints of pictures I took of like the sunsets and stuff while we were there, and then maybe do like a beachy theme sort of thing, collage, I don't know, in my dorm room. I also got this giant St. Joseph t-shirt. I put a knot in it because it's absolutely huge, but it's super cute, and when I wear it, it looks like I don't have any pants on. So I wanted a new big ginormous t-shirt, so I got that. I also got this super cute ring from a shop downtown. It's just like an open circle, and it has some like rainbow stones on it. I found matching earrings, but I didn't want to pay for it, so if you can tell in the light, it's kind of like a rainbow, so I thought that was super cute. It was like $12. I like think it was worth it. Not that $12 is a lot, but it's not turning my finger green, and I really hate when that happens. So like I was literally gonna get this other ring for like $20, but when I went back the next day, it was gone, so sad. From the same place that I got the ring, it was called Urban Found, and I also got these jars. They were only $3 a piece, and I could like DIY these at home, but it would probably cost me like $3 also to buy the stuff, so I just went ahead and got them. They are just like this twine hanging jar, and so I took some sand from the beach and I'm gonna fill it like halfway up, and then I have some old seashells from Florida, because the beaches in Michigan don't really have seashells because it's Lake Michigan. So I'm gonna put Florida shells in it and then hang them up like on my wall or like in my dorm with all that beachy stuff I was talking about earlier. So I thought those were cute, and that was kind of like my vision for these. But that was everything else that I got in Michigan besides the food stuff from Apple Valley Market. Thank you for watching this strangely formatted vlog. It literally went from me doing like a montage of like our trip because I couldn't decide when to start my video, and then I was like, okay, I'll just start it now. And then we didn't have like much left to do on our last day there, so sorry about that, but I was really excited about this trip and I wanted to make this video, so I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I upload. Goodbye. Mwah.